I'm Michael from the Davis Arts Legacy, and welcome to another meaningful moment. Legacy isn't carved in stone. It's etched in every moment, small, intentional, and often unseen. It's not about fame or fortune. It's about impact, about choosing to live in a way that echoes beyond your lifetime. Legacy is built in how we show up, how we listen, and how we lift up others when no one else is watching. Let me tell you about someone who you may have heard of who did just that. Fred Rogers didn't chase headlines. He built a legacy through kindness, consistency, and listening. For decades, Mr. Rogers' neighborhood was a model for emotional intelligence, empathy, and dignity. He spoke directly to children, but his impact shaped generations. Fred's legacy wasn't loud. It was lasting. Fred Rogers didn't start out as a media personality. In fact, he was a seminary-trained musician who saw television becoming loud, fast, and often cruel, and he felt called to offer something gentler. In the 1960s, when children's programming was filled with cartoons and slapstick comedy, Fred imagined a space where kids would feel safe, seen, and respected. His approach was radical in softness. He spoke slowly, and he asked questions. He addressed hard topics like death, divorce, and anger, subjects not usually discussed with children, and he did so with honesty and compassion. Behind the scenes, he fought for public funding for educational TV, famously testifying before Congress with quiet conviction that actually moved some hardened politicians to tears. Fred's triumph wasn't ratings, it was resonance. He wasn't interested in chasing headlines, yet he built a lasting legacy through kindness, honesty, and consistency. Generations of children grew up feeling emotionally literate because of him. His legacy lives not in monuments, but in the way people speak to children, the way they listen, and the way they choose kindness over spectacle. Fred Rogers' struggle was being underestimated. His triumph was being unforgettable. Now, I have a handout that I'd love to give to you titled 10 Ways to Build a Living Legacy. If you'll email me at michaelddavis@mdddastudio.com, I'll be happy to send it to you, free of charge, a list of 10 ways to help build your living legacy. I won't share your information with anyone else or send you spam email. The only thing I'm selling you on through these meaningful moments is ideas that may help you live a better and more fulfilling life. Please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you find what I share is helpful to you. And if you know of someone who may benefit from these meaningful moments, I'd be delighted if you would share them forward to those folks. It's the only way I will know whether they're truly meaningful to you. Please feel free to leave comments as well. I would sincerely love to and appreciate hearing from you. And remember, legacy isn't someday, it's today. Put one or more of these thoughts into practice. Explore the stories, ideas, and tools available to you. There's wisdom all around us if we are simply willing to look for it. Our ripple effect in the ocean of life is no more than a stone's throw away. I do hope that you'll come back next week for another meaningful moment. And as always, I'm Michael from the Davis Arts Legacy, and my purpose is helping you elevate your purpose to the highest level.